guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. They sent over this beautiful ombre loose wave unit. This is how she's looking like online, and then this is what she's looking like in person. Now I will let you guys know these are not the natural curls that came on this unit, so she's not technically like straight out of the box. I did go in with a, I want to say it's a 1.5 inch barrel curler and create these curls. Now y'all seen, you know, the unit straight out of the box. The curls, they be okay, but I will say that these curls are so much better. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with a drawstring here in the back, that way you can, you know, loosen it or tighten it as much as you would like. It also comes with the loops on the inside to add a security band if you choose to do so, but knowing me, I won't be adding one. So the lace space for this unit, this is a 13 by 6, meaning you are going to get 13 inches going across the front and then 6 inches going straight back for the parting space, which means you can create all types of middle parts or side parts, whatever you want to create with this unit. There's loads of space, but just in case it's like too much space for you or something like that, they also do offer this unit in a 13 by 4 as well. The lengths offered for this unit are 14 all the way down to 26 inches, and if I'm thinking correctly, I received the 24 inch. If not the 24 inch, then the 26 inch. Make sure to check the description box down below. You know, that should have the length in there if I remember to put it down there. If not, just go ahead and ask me in the comments and I'll make sure to get back to you. But something else I almost forgot to mention is that they also do offer this unit in a natural black color, just in case the ombre is doing a little bit too much for you. This unit does come with pre-cut lace, a pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. Now the pre-cut lace, done well. I mean, I don't really think it's very hard to mess that up. The pre-plucked hairline was done very well in my opinion. As far as the pre-bleached knots are concerned, I feel like they could have done a little bit better with it, but I ain't gonna complain.
That's just what you do when I look for it. You know that you can't lose, that's why I need you for this boy. If you want to, then let's go. I don't want to be alone. If you want to, then let's go. I don't want to be. Can we chill, can we be cool? Cause you know what to do. I'm the flyest in the room. I think you know it too. I need you for it. You're fresh, that'd be cool. The way you move, yeah. You know that I know that you know. You know that I made this beat for you. I did my room. I made this beat for you, yeah. I made this beat for you. I did my room. I made this beat for you, yeah, yeah. Keep the face and I make heartbeats. You just wanna show you that's cool, that's me. Well, I'm fire and I'm cold, I'm clean. Flyer than a dove with my pretty flare.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. We're going to start with my cons first, and the very first one is that this unit is not big head friendly. As I showed earlier in the video, I did end up going into the actual frontal and cutting up into it, like on the sides, just so I could pretty much bring the frontal forward to where it would fit and sit comfortably on my head. Had I tried to like wear it as is, that wig or this wig would have either been like way back here, or either would have been just like really squeezing my head really tight. And I'm sorry, I'm just not in the business of wearing a tight wig. Number one, it can affect your hairline, and listen, I want my edges, I want my hairline to stay intact as much as possible. But on top of that, it can give you a really bad headache, and I don't want either one of those. By cutting up into the frontal, it now makes the unit like sit so much more comfortable to where I'm even possibly considering sleeping in the unit. And it's only because I want to try out these like jumbo flexi rod things that I got. But anyways, another con about this unit, and listen, this, I might be wrong about this, it could be a personal thing, I don't know. I'm just going to tell you guys what I feel, what I think, and you can take it or leave it. On the website, it says that this unit is 200% density, and in my opinion, she is not. To me, this feels like one of LuvMe Hair's everyday type of units, and usually their density is about 150. If I were to like give this unit some type of grace, I would say that it could maybe be like 180, but no, to me it just feels like a regular 150 density unit. Besides those two cons, I really only have positives to say about this unit, so let's go ahead and move into those. My first pro is this hairline. As you guys can see, it is very much so giving scalp. Like between the lace and between the pre-pluckedness of this unit, like this looks like my hair, or at least that it's growing from the scalp. Again, I do feel like they could have done a better job with like pre-bleaching the knots, but at the same time, nobody is going to be that close to me. And even if they were, like, I'm not the type of person to be like, oh no, this isn't a wig, this is my hair. Girl, I'm quick to tell somebody that yes, it's a wig, and people should be able to tell anyways, because they should be able to see the lace, the fabric on your skin. But either way it go, this looks like it's growing from the scalp. My next pro about this unit is the ombre effect of her. Like, they did such an amazing job. I love the fact that it comes up slightly in the front, you know, to give that face framing effect. But then also, it's not like too low on the bottom. And it's like blended really nicely throughout. Like, yes, yes, and yes. On the straight ombre unit that I recently reviewed for LuvMe Hair, I spoke about how I wish the ombre came up like a little bit more, just because in my opinion it was sitting a little bit lower. But like this one was done to perfection. I wish that one was ombre the way this one is. Yeah, the hair on this unit is extremely soft, and also keep in mind that this unit again is a loose wave, so therefore it's not going to hold like a super duper tight curl, or at least it ain't going to hold it for a super duper long time. Why do I keep using the word super duper? Anyways, the curls on this unit are going to drop, but I mean, I know mine are also dropping because I've not only ran a wide tooth comb through it, I also ran a fine tooth comb through it as well. But just keep in mind, it's loose wave, so don't expect a super duper tight curl to stick. My last pro about this unit is that if you wanted to wear her completely glueless, you could. I went in and I put some spray down on my lace, you know, to keep her down, to tack her down. Well, apparently I didn't spray as much spray as I thought I had sprayed, because right here in the front, yeah, this can all be lifted up. And I didn't realize that until I was like recurling a piece, and I was like, oh wait. No, not when I was recurling a piece. I noticed it whenever I was putting my makeup on. I was like, oh, this piece and that piece is still a little bit lifted. So yeah, the lace blends in really, really nicely with the skin, as long as you make sure to go in and put a little bit of foundation that matches your skin tone on the lace. You can wear this glueless. But yeah, despite this unit not being big head friendly, I would still recommend it, simply because like I love the way that it's constructed, and I love the way that it's looking on my head. Again, just cut up into that frontal a little bit, not a lot of it, just a little bit. But if this isn't your thing, you don't want to have to do that type of work, they have a ton of other units on their website, so feel free to check it out. And then while you're doing so, or I guess while you're checking out after you buy, or while you're buying, yeah, feel free to use my discount code TAN.SEN, and that'll save you 32% off of their entire website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll make sure to have them both linked down in the description box below. I don't think I have anything else to say except for, oh wait. There will be a direct link to this unit as well down in the description box below. But yeah, other than that, I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.